So in this problem, we would like to find the Taylor polynomial T3, which means n, the highest power will be less than or equal than 3, centered at 0 of f of x equals ln of 1 plus sine of x. So of course, here at 0. So whether we go for Taylor polynomial or Maclaurin polynomial, it's fine. In this case, we'll just keep the name Taylor for all the polynomials. It doesn't matter. We mention the center and we're okay. Okay. So first we need we know that the formula will be T3 of x equal f of 0. This is general formula. F prime of 0x plus f double prime of 0 over 2 factorial x squared plus f triple prime of 0 over 3 factorial x cubed. That's the general definition of T3. So we need to come up with f prime, f double prime, and f triple prime. So first f prime. So we have an ln of u, so we use the chain rule, so it's going to be u prime over u. So the derivative of 1 plus sine of x over 1 plus sine of x. And that will be, derivative 1 is 0, derivative sine is cosine, so it's cosine of x over 1 plus sine of x. Next, we look for the second derivative of x, and for that we're going to use the ratio formula for the derivative. So derivative of cosine is minus sine, so it's going to be minus sine x times 1 plus sine x minus the derivative of the bottom, which is cosine x times cosine over 1 plus sine of x squared. So if we can do some little bit of algebra, we'll find minus sine x minus sine squared of x minus cosine squared of x over 1 plus sine of x squared. And this will give us minus sine x minus sine squared plus cosine squared over 1 plus sine of x squared. And as you can see, sine squared plus cosine squared from trigonometry, that's the fundamental formula of trigonometry. That's 1. So we get minus sine x minus 1 over 1 plus sine of x squared. And if I take the minus out, this will be minus 1 plus sine of x over 1 plus sine of x squared. Cancel the 1 plus sine of x from top at the bottom, and I will find this is minus 1 over 1 plus sine of x. So now we can look for the third derivative, and that's 1 over u, so it's minus u prime over u, so it becomes plus the derivative of 1 plus sine of x squared, prime, over 1 plus u squared sine of x squared. So this is cosine of x over 1 plus sine of x squared. So we found all the necessary derivatives. So now we go. F of 0 is going to be ln of 1 plus sine of 0. Sine of 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. ln of 1 is 0. Next, we go to f prime of 0. And we know that f prime was cosine of x, cosine of 0, over 1 plus sine of 0. And that's 1 over 1 plus 0, that's 1. F double prime of 0 is equal to minus 1 over 1 plus sine of 0, and that's minus 1 over 1 minus 1. And finally, f triple prime at 0 is equal to cosine of 0 over 1 plus sine of 0 squared, and that's 1 over 1, 1. So the t3 is equal, t3 of x equals 0 at the beginning. So we get x, okay, because the derivative is 1, minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared plus 1 over 3 factorial x cubed, or x minus 1 half x squared plus 1 over 6 x cubed.